I'm Butterfly Lane, and this is Meisha, my granddaughter. We're going to teach you how to make a butterfly today. Look at all the butterflies we have. They're flying all over the place. We're talking about everything you can make a butterfly out of. You can make it out of money. You can make it out of copy paper. And then you can get paper that is like the universe paper. Look at that one. You can see right through it. We're going to show you how to make one of these butterflies and maybe put a string on one. If you hang them up, they kind of flutter in the wind. So it's just like having a butterfly. And the butterflies, they symbolize love and caring and healing and a lot of other things. So that's why we're making them for people. Going up, you got it, that's right. Then you take that bottom and bring it up to the top. And make it as sharp up there as you can. Okay, and you hold that, right, crease the bottom just like that. But you have to hold it, well that's okay, hold the top. Now turn it around like this. Okay, and open it up. And then fold it to the top again. Okay. It's better to keep your finger there when you're folding because the paper will slide around. Okay, now we're going to fold this side, turn it over. This side to the points right there. Okay. You got it. Okay, and right. Hold that top and then go like this. Right, and go like that. You got it. That's right. Okay, now the magic. Turn it over. This. Turn it over. Okay. And fold it in like that. You almost have it. You fold it in. Yep. Fold it in like I have it. That's right. Now, you're gonna remember you fold it up to make a boat. Good, good, perfect. Okay, now remember take this here, the top one, and fold it over like that. So the point is pointing toward that one right there. Okay, do the other side. Yeah, it's the same. She's folding it. You're going to fold this in over there, right? There. Perfect. And you can, and again, if you want, you can fold it in like this. So the points of the butterfly wings are kind of folding back there. As tight as you can, and hold it in your hand like that. And then open it up like that.
Whoa.
There, yeah. Push down really hard. Uh-huh. Okay, now show your butterfly. Point the wings up. Yep, point it over that way. There we go, and like this too. We want to thank everyone involved in this project. Meisha, the star of the show. And we really want to thank the Santa for Seniors project for encouraging us to make butterflies and to show people how to make butterflies. And hopefully the kids are making butterflies for seniors, because that's what we hope to do.